Welcome to polling.com. In this video, we'll show you how polling.com helps you unlock deeper insights into your survey results using advanced filters. Starting off, go to the survey section. Locate a survey where you want to dive deeper into the results. Then select View Results. When you open up the results, by default, you'll see all responses, unfiltered, every answer from your survey participants in one place. To get more focused with your results, select Filters at the top. Here, you can filter by country, language, completion, or screen out status, and more. Let's filter the results together. Start by selecting United States and applying the filter. Now we're only seeing responses from US participants. Notice that the number of surveys went down from the original unfiltered results. When the filter results appear, you'll see the answer results for each question, in this example from US respondents. With filters applied, you'll also notice updated metrics like affinity scores and other key insights as you scroll down the page through the other answers. This is great information, but what if you want to dive even deeper and compare how a specific group answered a question in comparison to the overall results? Let's explore this together and filter further from here. For example, let's say we want to see all responses from the 25 to 34-year-old age group for this survey. Go to Advanced Filters at the top and then select the Add Answer Filter button. You'll see a few drop-down options that you can configure with more advanced filtering. From here, you can select a survey. By default, it'll show you the survey you're currently in. Then, select a specific question. In this example, let's choose What is your age group? Rule contains, and the value is 25 to 34. Click the Apply Filters button to view the results. As you can see, it'll show you all 25 to 34-year-old responses. What if we want to narrow it down even further and see all female responses of this age range? Go back to the Advanced Filters at the top and add another answer filter. Choose the What is your gender question and set it to female. Apply the filter to see the results. And even deeper from here, what if we want to filter further to look for all females, age 25 to 34, who are fully employed? We can add one more answer filter for employment status and see all full-time employees. Apply the filter again to see all the results. The results will now be filtered even further, and you'll be able to dive deeper into the exact data you need. You can even see a list of individual responses by selecting the Individuals tab. This will show you, in this specific case, all the responses from each fully employed female between age 25 to 34. Something else to consider here is that you can export the filtered results easily. You can export the results of each individual question, or you can export all the results with the current filters applied for the survey. Just go to the top, select Export, and choose to export as a CSV or JSON file. Now you have everything you need to unlock deeper insights, make smarter decisions, and understand your audience like never before. Sign up today with polling.com.